The 2002 Ford E-Series van. Max utility and space for everything. The E-Series has it covered and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.